On Thursday, May 1st, 2025, Mr. Jose Luis Velasquez, an X-ray specialist, conducted a series of surprising tests on the Buga Sphere, which fell to Earth after receiving a 10,000-volt discharge. The images obtained yielded surprising results. Inside your style, you can observe on the outline in a white hue a dense layer surrounding it, which indicates that it is very thick. In grayer tones, with less density, another less dense material can be seen, which would confirm that the sphere is not hollow and would explain its unusual weight, which has been documented inexplicably, is variable. Likewise, a series of 16 points surrounding the core were detected. These would be microspheres. At the same time, a dark-toned element was observed distributed inside the Buga Sphere, which indicates that this material would be the least dense, perhaps porous.
Radiology is a non-invasive tool. As you could see, it only went through the piece. It shows us two different densities, both in a positive image and in an image. This is positive, the other is negative, which denotes a density of different materials, which suggests that the piece is an outer sphere plus an inner part. Here, even if I get closer to this part, on this side there's another density. If you see,
yes.
There you can see. The outer one is one, then there's another thinner layer, then we enter another, then we enter another. There are about three, like layers of different density.
The equatorial zone of the sphere also stands out, where 32 points were counted distributed around the circumference. Likewise, X-ray observations show that the distribution of the elements is homogeneous, and that due to their density, they may be metals. Researcher Nacho Royo suggests that due to its composition, this sphere could have been assembled precisely to contain this kind of materials inside. All possibility that it is an ornamental object has been ruled out. In fact, it was recorded moving in the sky without visible elements that would allow us to understand how it can move through the air.